Step 1. Cut 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into strips. Step 2. Place chicken strips into a bowl and fill with milk until submerged. Whole milk or buttermilk is recommended. Step 3. Cover the bowl and place in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Step 4. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with seasonings. I'm using 1 tablespoon seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix thoroughly. See the seasoning measurements in the video description. Step 5. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl and beat them. Step 6. Remove chicken from milk, allowing excess milk to drip off. Coat in the seasoned flour mixture. Step 7. Dip chicken in the beaten egg and allow excess to drip off before coating a second time in the flour. Step 8. Repeat this for each chicken strip. Step 9. Pour about an inch of cooking oil in a large, high-walled skillet. Vegetable or canola oil works well. Step 10. Turn stove to medium-high heat and heat the oil up until it reaches between 360 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 11. Carefully place chicken strips into the hot oil. The oil is dangerously hot, so be extremely careful. Step 12. After 4 to 5 minutes, turn the chicken strips and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Step 13. Remove strips from pan and set on parchment paper. Check with a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The meat should be all white with no pink. Step 14. Serve with your favorite dipping sauces and enjoy. Step 15. Be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY basics videos in the future.